My name is Maria Cugini and I'm the Vice President of FoxFury Lighting Solutions. FoxFury is a 16-year-old company. We started many years ago creating a helmet light to surf at night, which slowly developed into the professional world, to first responders, firefighters, police, etc. Then we got into the scene lighting and forensic lighting, photography lighting, and it's just been, and drone lighting. So it's just been one thing after the other, and it all sort of evolved. We started into the drone market 5 years ago when it was basically something for Hollywood, for cinematographers and photographers. And we watched this industry change so rapidly in the last 5 years with the arrival of the first responders creating their own UAV divisions, and within the last year and a half, it's just boomed. And it's just amazing to see all the opportunities that drones really bring to the market and to the different industries. We have an amazing team at FoxFury. Every single one of our team members are key to the success of the company and to the many different opportunities that come our way, and everybody's always very willing to give it their all.